Let's get these miles in. It's been a minute since I was sick traveling for work. So let's go. Today's playlist is The Weeknd's new album. I used to listen to The Weeknd all the time in college. It was my jam. Walking into exams, going to the library. Dude, I'm seeing so many today. Hello. Their necks are so interesting to me. Whenever I see older people run, they humble me. There are really no excuses. Why is it so dirty? So much trash. This makes me sad. What the heck? And we're done. Today's affirmations are: I am in control and I am open to change. I'll leave it to y'all to think about the two statements together.